Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
I'll just be back. Think about it. I'll just be back in a couple of minutes. Yes, friends. Yeah. Okay, all right. So let's first look at this. Guys. Tell me, what is the argument concluding?
Allow me a minute. Let me read. I didn't read that. Yeah.
Sorry, Shivan. What is the argument concluding?
Experienced ones are having less accidents than
Very nice.
the younger.
So this is what the argument is concluding, Anjita. Greater experience and caution of people 65 or older is the reason why accidents are lesser for this age group. Do you agree?
Yes.
Now tell me, what could be other reasons why accidents are lesser for this age group? What could be other reasons? The argument concludes this is the reason why accidents are lesser. My question is, what could be other reasons why accidents are lesser for this age group? Think about it.
They will drive in low speed.
So very nice. Absolutely. Absolutely. They may be driving at lower speeds. Very nice. So lower speed may be a reason why accidents are lesser for this age group. Absolutely. Any other reason? Anjita, do you agree that maybe these people drive less?
What? I didn't get it.
Maybe these people drive less.
Yes.
See, if I drive less, for example, if I just drive once a month, right, then obviously my chances of accident will also be lesser. On the other hand, if a person drives every day, obviously his chances will be more.
Yeah.
Correct. So maybe they drive less. Or
yes.
Right. Or maybe these people drive only in good weather conditions. That would be another reason why accidents are lesser for this age group. Are you with me?
Yes.
In other words, there can be n number of reasons why accidents are lesser for this age group. But out of these n number of reasons, which reason does the argument endorse? This one, right? This is what the argument is saying. Greater experience and caution is the reason why accidents are lesser for this age group. If this is what the argument is concluding, then what's the assumption? This is not a reason. This is not a reason. And notice this is exactly what alpha does. Drivers 65 and older do not drive very many fewer miles per year than 24 and younger. So basically alpha is saying that it's basically eliminating this answer choice, eliminating this as the reason for lesser accidents. So drivers 65 and older do not drive less. Drivers 65 and older do not drive less. Are we clear?
Yes.
Now looking at Charlie. Yeah, Anjita, go ahead.
How to identify these questions?
Looking at Charlie, let's look at Charlie, because I think you went ahead with Charlie, right? Now let's look at this. Drivers 65 and older are less likely to drive during bad weather conditions. Notice this is exactly the opposite. If this was, because we have to eliminate alternate choices. So if this was a not, then it would have been valid. Then this would have been valid. Drivers 65 and older are not less likely. All right, let's again reiterating. This is exactly what we've been doing, guys. Reiterating why alpha is the right answer. This is what the argument says. Now, for this conclusion to be true, perhaps they drive less, perhaps they drive only in good weather conditions. So in other words, there are n number of reasons for this conclusion to be true. Out of these n number of reasons, if this is what the argument concludes, then we have to eliminate alternate causes to reach the conclusion. I'll go back again. There are n number of reasons for this conclusion to be true. Out of these n number of reasons, the argument concludes this, that infidelity is the reason for divorce. And if this is what we have to conclude, we have to support, then we have to eliminate alternate causes to reach the result. Notice the correct assumption eliminates alternate cause to reach the result. All right, so let's look at others. The difference between, so David says the difference between accident rate of drivers under 21 and of those ages 21 to 24. Now notice David is anyway incorrect because it is not even talking about 65 and older. We are specifically talking about 65 and older and below that. So David does not even attribute that. If Charlie was a not, then it would have been correct, right? Why? Because we have to eliminate alternate cause. So good weather condition is a reason that has to be eliminated.